Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK16 MP CMOS sensor digital camera, a compact powerhouse for everyday photography. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable and easy-to-use camera is essential for capturing life's precious moments. The Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK is a compact digital camera that delivers impressive performance, making it a great choice for beginners, travelers, and anyone looking for a hassle-free photography experience. With its 16MP CMOS sensor, 5x optical zoom, and 1080p full HD video recording, this camera offers excellent value for its price. Design and build quality. The Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK sports a sleek, lightweight design with a matte black finish, giving it a modern and professional look. Its compact size, easily fitting in a pocket or small bag, makes it highly portable, perfect for vacations, family gatherings, or casual outings. The camera feels sturdy in hand, with well-placed buttons that ensure comfortable handling. The 2.7-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, allowing for easy framing and reviewing of shots. Image and video quality. Equipped with a 16MP CMOS sensor, the FZ55 BK captures sharp, vibrant images with good color accuracy. The 5x optical zoom, 27mm wide-angle to 135mm telephoto, provides versatility for different shooting scenarios, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or distant subjects. While it may not compete with high-end DSLRs, it performs exceptionally well for its class, especially in well-lit conditions. Low-light performance is decent, though like most budget cameras, it can struggle with noise in darker environments. However, the built-in digital image stabilization helps reduce blur, ensuring clearer shots even when shooting handheld. For videographers, the 1080p Full HD recording at 30 frames per second is a great feature, delivering smooth and detailed videos. The HDMI output allows for easy playback on larger screens, making it a handy tool for casual vlogging or home movies. Ease of use and features. One of the standout aspects of the Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK is its user-friendly interface. With simple menus and intuitive controls, even beginners can start shooting right away. The camera offers multiple scene modes, portrait, landscape, sports, etc., and creative filters to enhance your photos. Additional features include face detection and smile capture. Automatically focuses on faces and captures smiles for perfect portraits. Panorama mode lets you stitch together wide scenic shots effortlessly. Macro mode, great for close-up shots of flowers, food, or small objects. Continuous shooting helps capture fast-moving subjects. Battery life and storage. The camera is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which provides a decent number of shots per charge, around 200 to 250 images. Carrying a spare battery is recommended for extended use. Storage is handled via SD/SDHC/SDXC cards, up to 128 gigabytes supported, ensuring you never run out of space for your photos and videos. Final verdict. The Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK is an excellent budget-friendly digital camera that balances performance, portability, and ease of use. While smartphone cameras have improved significantly, the FZ55 BK offers superior optical zoom, better image control, and dedicated features that phones often lack. It's perfect for heavy checkmark beginners learning photography, heavy checkmark travelers needing a lightweight, versatile camera, heavy checkmark families wanting to capture memories without complexity, heavy checkmark content creators looking for an affordable HD video option. If you're searching for an affordable, reliable, and compact digital camera, the Kodak PixPro FZ55 BK is a fantastic choice. It may not replace professional gear, but it delivers impressive results for everyday photography.